In this video presentation, we'll look at the three key phases of the basis of planning in heavy industry. Remember, basis of planning is not the same as planning basics, which vary slightly depending on work type. For example, routine maintenance, shutdown, turnaround, outage, or construction and capital projects, although similar in basis of planning, basic estimating, and assembly, vary slightly. The first phase in the basis of planning references planning from a logical sense, where an authorization for expenditure, AFE, scope of work task is broken down into more manageable activities, referred to as a step-out plan. The next phase is estimating, which involves calculating the resources required to execute the step-out plan. As you might recall from the Budget Control and Cost Management course, Forward LEMS, labor, equipment, materials, services, is used here in conjunction with various estimating standards, which we'll review shortly. The final phase in the basis of planning is assembly. This references the creation of job packages with enough content and information to maximize workplace safety, quality, and tool time efficiency. At the center of the planning phase is the basis of planning. At the center of the estimating phase is estimating standards, and at the center of assembly is job package contents. Now let's take a closer look at the planning phase where the details required prior to estimating and assembly must be considered. We begin with standard job plans and templates, which are stored in the Computerized Maintenance Management System, CMMS, and used to plan preventive maintenance, PM, work orders as part of the 52-week preventive maintenance plan or used in conjunction with a work order to create scheduled corrective maintenance, SCM, unscheduled corrective maintenance, UCM, major maintenance, MM, or minor corrective, MC. Remember, most maintenance-related work orders are repetitive to some degree. This makes standard job plans and templates an ideal solution for effective and efficient planning. Basis of planning also applies to the engineering work order, EWO. However, it would be rare for a standard job plan or template to be used here, as EWOs are typically one-off maintenance OPX projects or capital projects and often require a management of change MOC. Again, work and the related planning are associated with asset integrity, process integrity, mechanical integrity, or infrastructure integrity categorized as routine, shutdown, turnaround, or outage/project. Next, we look at estimating standards where industry norms, historical data, benchmarks, or experience are used to estimate a long list of requirements based on contract types. It's important to remember that estimating will have rules, procedures, formulas, and tools to objectively and pragmatically estimate the required resources, data, and information required to assemble a job package and increase workplace safety, quality, and tool time efficiency, with targeted asset, process, mechanical, and infrastructure integrity. Lastly, we look at the assembly of work packages based on work type and categories, primarily for shutdowns, turnarounds, and outages using planned job packages with various content requirements based on planning and estimating, and engineering work packages followed by construction work packages, installation work packages, and turnover packages for commissioning. To summarize, there are three key phases to basis of planning and planning basics: planning, estimating, and assembly, each with a central focus on basis of planning, estimating standards, and job package contents. Learning these basics is an important step to adding value to your organization in preparation for advanced learning in the next level of courses on planning for heavy industry.